Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make very delicious shrimp and egg fried rice. Very quick and easy to make, so I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, share and comment if you enjoy this recipe. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. So I have here basmati rice I've already cooked, and I also have here shrimp, eggs, chopped chili, carrots, garlic and ginger, chopped onions and spring onions. So these are the few ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. So I'll start by breaking my egg into a small bowl, and I'll add a little bit of salt, so I'm using 4 eggs for this recipe. So I'll whisk it and set it aside. Next I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and I'll give it a quick stir and I'll set it aside. Next I'll add a little bit of oil in a wok, let it heat up, and I'm going to add in my eggs, so I'll keep stirring it until it's well cooked, and I'll set it aside. Next I'll add in another little bit of oil, and to it I'll add the chopped ginger and garlic, and also the chopped pepper, and I'll also add in the shrimps, and I'll stir it all together to combine. And for the shrimp, you don't have to overcook it, just toss it a few seconds, and I'll remove and set it aside. So adding a little bit of oil again, and I'm going to toss in the carrots and onion for a few seconds. And to it I'll add in the basmati rice. So at this point I'll add in the shrimp and the fried eggs, and and I'll stir it all together. Next, I'll add in the soy sauce, sesame oil, and the dark soy sauce mixture, and give it a quick stir again. So this is a very simple and easy to make fried rice, and the basmati rice was left over, so a very quick fried rice for lunch and easy to make. So I've added in the chopped spring onions, and it's all done. Very quick and simple to make fried rice, shrimp fried rice. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. It's smelling so good. Yeah, so just give this quick recipe a try, and I hope you will enjoy it. Very easy for lunch with a very few ingredients, and you are good to go. So as you can see, it's all done at this point, looking very colorful and nice, and it's looking tasty. So I'm going to be dishing it out at this point. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. So please don't forget to give it a try. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you haven't done so. It helps my channel a lot. And thank you all so much for watching. And to all my new and returning subscribers, thank you for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it a lot. So I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.